Hey, this is Ross from Car Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we are in Land O'Lakes and we're finishing up a 2-car with baseboards. This job had a few things going on. The owner had recently installed a step, so we patched and then rounded over as long as this deck is well here too, as well as this deck. And then this baseboard kind of followed the stem wall, so it was logical just to follow it that way around. There is a big flange that goes over these pipes, which is going to be replaced when we're gone. Here's all the details. So we did grind the sidewalls, put up the baseboards, did some repairs to fill the voids. This color is Nightfall. I'm going to show it to you twice because it's definitely a different color in the sun. So the flow of this garage was that it extended out onto the apron, so we did follow that. And because this section is in sun all the time, what we did was we double coated this with polyaspartic just to give it a little bit of extra protection from the sun. Here's where our leaded edges look like. We had filled some cracks and fixed the ends. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Car Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Car serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.